Before you buy your next stock, pause. A single decision can shape your financial future.
Most people chase quick profits. Real investors build wealth patiently.
Rule 1. Hef. Understand what you own. If you can't explain how a business earns money, you shouldn't invest in it.
Apple doesn't just sell phones, it sells loyalty. Know the story behind the numbers. Rule 2. It's moat. Find a moat. The secret shield of great companies. A moat means protection. Brand power, cost edge, or technology others can't copy. Rule 3. Think long term. The market rewards patience, not panic.
Compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. Let it work for you.
When headlines scream, stay quiet. The real profit comes from time in the market. Rule 4. Get cued. Always buy with a margin of safety. Even a great company can be a bad investment if you overpay. Smart investors wait for opportunities, not hype. When everyone panics, hold. When everyone's greedy, step back.
Rule 5. Tatting. Control your emotions before they control your money.
The market feeds on two things: fear and greed. When everyone panics, hold. When everyone's greedy, step back.
Discipline is your best defense, not prediction, not luck.
The smartest investors don't time the market. Loan. They trust time in it.
Patience turns average returns into extraordinary wealth. The difference between a trader and an investor is patience. Before you invest, ask one question. Would I buy this company if the stock market closed for 10 years?
Trading gives excitement. Investing gives freedom.
Investing isn't about predicting the future. It's about preparing for it.
Knowledge is the real compound interest. It grows faster than money. Value investors don't buy stocks. They buy stories that last. Before you chase profit, understand value. That's the language of wealth.
Emotions create noise. Logic builds clarity.
In every crash hides an opportunity. Learn to see what others fear.
Markets move in cycles, up, down, and up again. But wisdom stays steady. When you chase trends, you lose focus. When you follow principles, you win time.
Every investor faces fear, but courage comes from knowledge, not luck. Remember, the goal isn't to predict the market, it's to understand it.
The more you react, the less you earn!
Silence is profit's best friend.
Great investors aren't fortune tellers. They're disciplined learners.
Your biggest enemy is not the market. It's your own impatience. Every panic you survive makes you stronger. Every recovery makes you wiser.
Most quit too early. But the winners, they wait quietly.
The stock market rewards those who endure, not those who rush.
Before you buy your next stock,